Today we're going to do an unglamorous project that we should have done a long time ago, but it wasn't on our priority list, but now it is.
Yep.
We're going to be putting down a vapor barrier in the crawl space to stop any moisture coming up from the ground.
Just like what it says. It barriers the vapor.
It's like it's a barrier. And so, it's a lovely frozen day today, so why not work in the basement?
Sure.
Before we cover this all with Visqueen, we want to do a final kind of leveling and raking things smooth. I also want to put a little bit more dirt around these post pads just to make sure that nothing is settling or moving. These post pads do go down into the ground about 3 feet. So we're just going to kind of clean up the top so that there aren't any sharp corners that damage our vapor barrier.
We got our windows down, driving down the 405, sing along to the radio. We're gonna make it someday, nothing's gonna get in our way. We will be the biggest band in town. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there.
So we're just cutting around our post.
Yes, and then we'll tape it to the plastic that is underneath the post.
Okay.
So we have our quadruple layered plastic underneath the post. And we cut out our vapor barrier around the post. And now we will seal the two plastics together. Do you have enough gap on your side?
Yep.
Marvelous.
We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. I'm gonna quit my job, never wanna have no bars. I just wanna play my rock and roll like they do on the radio. Tommy's got brand new drums, and I still have my old guitar. And John said this next song's gonna be real good, if you know what I mean. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. Oh, oh, round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show.
So we've got the vapor barrier down under most of the house. We still have about a 3-foot strip we need to do against this south wall. And then we need to find the rest of our red tape so we can finish taping seams. but we have all of our posts sealed to the pad and we have all of our plastic down. Just having that will make a huge difference in the moisture coming up from the ground. But we'll go ahead and seal everything up. This summer, I think what we'll do is we'll come back with zip tape and tape the visqueen to the concrete just to really trap any moisture.